LinkedIn mobile app, how to use in mobile phone. Just you have to open the LinkedIn app, and firstly you have to install it from your Play Store. Now open it in your Android. You can see that at the bottom that there are five options. My home, this type of screen will appear. My networks, you can see your network. You can post your any of the picture, video or template here. You can get notifications here, and you will add the job titles and upgrade your profile by clicking on this. In this way you can search from here about your choice things. You can view your profile here by clicking on the view icon. In this way you can use the LinkedIn app in mobile phone. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can also find different settings just clicking on the setting option. You can see different option from here. You can turn off notification. You can sign off your account here. You can add account preferences, visibility settings. You can change your visibility settings, advertising settings, and so many things formed by using the LinkedIn app. This whole is for the Android as well as on iPhone. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing. Thank you so much. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.